Cowboy here. Here I come with a new tutorial how we can remove any object or human beings. Uh, we found in different types of freelancing sectors that Fiverr, freelancer. Here people ask to remove this person or this object. So here I will show you how you can do it very easily. We will remove this person. So first we will select the selection tool and select the object selection tool. Okay, then select rectangle. Then do it like this with the object you want to remove. Okay, then the object is selected. Then select, go to modify, then expand. Here you can choose the expand in your ways, how much you can expand the selection. I choose 30. Here is also okay. Then we go to edit and content error fill. Okay, here you see this person is actually gone here, the preview section. You can see that. So you can do it like that way, but if you want to do more accurately or more correctly, you can go to a custom there and choose your own way to select these things. It is very easy. So okay, for me this totally okay. Then I will click apply. Okay, done. Then okay. Then select, deselect or control D. Here you can see I completely removed this that person. So this is the tutorial. I hope you will like it. Thank you. See you in my next video. And please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.